How to connect Subway surfers with Facebook on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can connect Subway surfers with Facebook on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to connect Subway surfers with Facebook app on Android, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Subway surfers game. And now let's say that you want to connect your Facebook app here, then you can just tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side. Right here you'll find Facebook Connect option, so you can just hit the connect option. It will ask you to give access to your Facebook account. Make sure you are logged in on the Facebook app, by the way. Then all you have to do is just follow the prompt by logging into your Facebook account, tapping on the continue option, and then your Subway surface will successfully get connected to Facebook. This way you'll be able to connect Subway surface to Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.